I finally got my new Posca markers. See? Finally got them. I have others, but there wasn't brown or orange or stuff. So let me show you how to use them. I already did red and orange. So the cap starts out as white, and you can't draw anything on them. And you can't draw anything on them yet. See, the paint isn't coming out. But first up, you have to shake it. No paint still coming out. You have to press it down. I'm gonna have to shake it a little bit more. Oh, they're coming out. The paint's coming out. It's kind of cool how they work, huh? Posca markers are a lot better than regular markers. Finally, all the paint is out, and now you can color on it. Well, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.